Friends, I am on the chart of Rubik's Cube first layer cross. First white pluses got matched and green is matched and blue is matched. Orange in match and red did not match. So for that case, this white piece will bring that side over. And for this case, side by side orange and green had got matched and these two sides did not get matched. So we'll do like this, one, and bring it up, and this white piece I'll bring this side and match this over. Here T perm and this blue had got matched and green is here and green piece is here, so I'll do this and get 1, 2, and next this red we'll bring it down 2 and I'll bring it up, and here red had got matched, that's why I'll bring it up. Next this I'll bring it down. Here this has got matched over first layer, and for the cell case I'll check side by side two piece got matched and red is got matched. I'll bring it up and green is got matched direct. And this is my solve. Over first layer over. See. Thanks for watching and please subscribe Skandas vlog. Thank you.